G'day everyone, this is Simon from Cars on Demand. I just want to show you how to download the Cars on Demand app, set it up and log in. So you can just go into your app store. What I tend to do is I use my search bar. So you just put your phone down like this and you type in App Store. There we go. And let's do a search bar for driver, Cars on Demand. So we just type in driver, Cars on Demand. There we go, it just came up. So there it is. There we go. It says driver cars on demand. We just click on download. It's quite a light app. You'll notice that it will download very quickly and it doesn't take up too much of your battery. So there it is. It's open. So we now go, there it is. I'm going to move it right into the bottom, which is where I use it quite a bit. So there it is. It's right there. So now we're going to log into the app. It says Cars on Demand would like to send you notifications. So we're going to click on allow and you log in with your email address and password. So I'm just going to log in with my email address and my password. There we go. Now we say just, it's going to say allow to use your location. I'm just going to say allow once. We're going to say yes, location required. So we just click here and it will go to location and we're just going to click on always. Now, if you don't have this, you can always go into your settings for your iPhone. If you didn't do it that way, you can go into settings, you can go into privacy, location services, then you find the Cars on Demand app, which is there it is, Cars on Demand driver. Make sure it's on always. And since we're in settings, we're going to do something else. We're going to go into notifications, voila, and we're going to find the Cars on Demand app again, Cars on Demand driver, and we're going to click on banner style here. See, all the notifications are on. We're going to click on banner style and we're going to make it persistent. That means when a notification comes in from the top, it will remain there so we won't miss it. So now we are logged in, as you can tell. The bottom is you got my jobs, available jobs, allocated jobs, and history. So when a job becomes available, it will appear in the available jobs section. Once you accept it, it'll move into My Jobs. If that job changes, it goes back into allocated jobs. So let's say a job changes from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. It goes here. I will do a demo for that a bit later. And over the top left-hand corner, you got the menu bar. You can call us. You can visit us online. You got the airport pickup locations. Once you click on that, you'll go to the home page. You can scroll down and see the airport pickup locations. This analytics and trusted driver is not available to everybody. That's coming soon, and that's your app version, and the bottom is log out. So that's it for this video. So we've just shown you how to find the app, make sure the settings are on to always location services and notifications, and also how to log in. Okay, stay tuned for more videos. Bye for now.